Yo, what's up? Welcome to the video. This is going to be like a little vlog edit of my Christmas holidays. You know, I'm bored in quarantine. I thought I could maybe try and force some creativity. If it's boring, it's boring. If there's something worth filming, then I'll film it. And yeah, who knows, it might actually be more fun than it sounds right now. But yeah, enjoy. Currently waiting on the arrival home of my older brother Michael. So then the whole family will be reunited and should be good. It's a shame as well that I don't have my camera or drone because I left them at home thinking I won't need them or film anything while I'm here, so that's stupid. But I guess my phone will just make do. I don't know. I have no idea what this will end up being like. It is what it is. Hi. Go away. Explain to everyone what you just made, Ben.
Some cookies. This is how I imagined it. I wanted a big tray of cookie dough.
Nice. Film Michael not doing any work. Done nothing today but play Warzone. Gonna get a workout in before pizza for dinner. So that's where we're at right now.
Stop making me laugh.
What's up, guys?
Oh my goodness. Yes, this.
It's rubbish. No, mine's a little bit more. Original before. Oh, that's every day. Have a drink with me. By the way, Ben. We've run out of alcohol, so me and Ben are going to the car to see if there's more.
We literally just opened a new one. You are? Okay, we'll switch seat then.
No.
Split screen play account.
Happy Christmas.
This is for the vlog.
Yeah. Hey!
Oh, my photos are going to be so much improved.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas!
You doesn't need her. Oh my god, girl, it's Christmas.
They're alright.
What?
The thing that watches you.
People over went wrong there now. And I was playing Cesspool out so fast. And and this determines the team's bonus time.
Let's not do this because we're all Guinness.
No, yeah, I like that, but it tastes a bit
porter.
rubbish.
Bitter.
No, not
Bitter.
yes, exactly.
John, you're putting them in it.
Look at Ben just doing push-ups behind. This is a bit of an infill for yesterday because again I just keep forgetting to film stuff, but there's not much to film because it's in that weird limbo area between Christmas and New Year. But yeah, for the last couple of years, me and a few friends have done like our 2020 music year in review. So we summarise our best albums and best tracks, and so we did that on a Zoom call last night. Here are some clips of that.
Also done things that is wrong, but he's also really level-headed.
The Weekend, his best project.
Love it. Great album.
Number one is That's What They All Say by Jack Harlow. No, I'm just joking. It's not. It's not. It's. Hello everyone. And then today, went on a run. First time run in a while. Here's me directly after that run. I was pretty dead. Now I'm gonna clean my room.
Army uniform. Stop it, Dad! Stop it!
Skip it! What is that? I don't know if that's true. But you can see, look at Tess's paws. Her little trousers! She's
Just got done doing some sparring with Ben. It wasn't really proper sparring, it was like body sparring because I can't break my nose ring, and insert clip here of our last fight out in the garden. But that was after a workout. Didn't film anything today because I wasn't doing anything. This has been the highlight. Oh yeah, it's hard work. It's New Year's Eve, 31st. Just got done loads of editing the video. Nearly there. But right now I'm gonna see if I can get left to go to the skate park. The world's best skate park. And get a session in. Just got done at the skate park. Those are basically all the tricks I can do right now because I rolled my ankle really badly like 2 months ago, maybe just under 2 months ago. So I can't do any flip tricks with my left foot. It sucks, but I thought it was getting better, but then today I just tried one kickflip and it really hurt. So. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
All in.
Happy New Year then. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, I really appreciate it. I had good fun making this video, so I might do more of this sort of style in the future. Who knows? But yeah, Happy New Year. Hoping 2021 is a bit better than 2020. And yeah, cheers. See you soon.